the time graph of a train which travels a distance of 8 meters in 70 seconds. Calculate the value of what? V. So that's the value of V. Here to find the value of V. What's the value of V? And we are given the total distance traveled. So distance is area under the graph. Distance is area under the graph. So we can group it into what? Into this one. So this one is our first shape, which is a triangle. This one is our second shape. This one is our third shape. So we're going to say the first shape is a triangle. So the formula is half base times height, plus the second one, it is a rectangle. So it's length times what? Times width. Then the third one, this one is a triangle. So it's half base times height. So we are given that the total distance traveled was 880. Okay. So half base 0 to 20, that's 20. Then times height. Our height is what? We're given that the height is what? Is V. So from this point to this point is what? V. Plus length from this side to this side, that's 40. Why 40? 60 minus what? Minus 20. Multiplied by what? From this point to this point is what? V plus half base 60 to 70, that's 10 seconds, times V, that is our height, is equals to 880. So half of 20, that's 10. 10 times V, that's 10V, plus 40 times V, that's 40V, plus half of 10, that's 5. So we get 5 what? V is equals to 880. Okay, so 10V plus 40V, that's 50V, plus 5, that's 55 what? V is equals to 880. Okay, so I'm going to divide both sides by 55 and by 50 what? By 55. So V will be what? 16. That will be the value of what? Of V. So V is equals to what? V is equals to 16. Okay, then part B, find the acceleration during the first 20 seconds. So acceleration, this is the first 20 seconds. So we have a formula which says V is equals to U plus AT. Okay, so V, this is our final velocity. U, into starting point, A is for acceleration, T is for what? T is for time. Okay, so our initial starting point, we're going to put V. Our final velocity, we're going to put what? V. U, then V. Initial starting point, that's U. Then the ending point is what? Is V. So the value of V right here, V is equals to what? 16. That's our answer for V. So we're going to substitute 16 is equals to the value of U, that's 0. So we're going to say 0 plus A. Then time, first 20 seconds here, we're going to put what? 20 here. So 16 minus 0 is equals to 20 what? Is equals to 20 A. We want to find the acceleration. So 16 is equals to what? 20. Then we're going to divide both sides by 20 and by what? By 20. Okay. So let's simplify it. 4 into 16, that's 4. Then 4 into 20, that will be 5. Is equals to what? Is equals to A. So it's 4 over 5. That's the acceleration during the first what? During the first 20 seconds. C, say retardation during the last 10 seconds. So this is the last 10 seconds. Retardation, it is the decrease in speed. So U, initial starting point, then V, that's our final velocity. Then our formula, V is equals to U plus A T. So the value of V right here is what? Is 0. So the values of U and V, we get them on this what? This vertical line. So the value of U is V is what? 0. And the value of U, remember U is what? U is 16. So we're going to say 16 plus A time during the last 10 seconds. Okay. So 0 minus 16 is equals to what? Is equals to 10 a. So negative 16 is equals to 10 or 10a, divided both sides by 10, both sides by what? By 10. Okay, so 10 into 16, that would be 1,6 minus 1,6 is equals to what? Is equals to a. That's the